Hello candies! Welcome back to my channel. Did you see something new? I got my new workstation. As you have already read by the title, I'm going to be making DIY tassels. So without wasting much of your time, let's get on with the video. So the things you will need are a scissor, a pen, a ruler, and some felt paper. Let's get started. As you can see, I have already cut my shape. It's 8 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. Now use a scissor to cut it. This is how it should look. I know you must be wondering why I made it this small. It's because I'm in quarantine and I'm running out of felt paper and I have no chance of going out. So yeah. It should look something like this. As you can see, I have also made a little smaller one. Now what you have to do is roll them lengthwise. And use some hot glue to secure it. Voila! Here is the final product. If you like this video, smash that like button and comment down below what you would want to see next. Please help me grow our candy family by sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys next week. Stay sweet!